In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to open, close, and mark a course as complete. First, let's talk about how these course settings apply to your teaching. In Blackboard Ultra, you can toggle course settings to control whether your course is open, closed, or marked as complete, depending on your needs throughout the semester. For example, on the first day of class, if your students cannot access the course, it means the course is closed and you will need to open it for them to gain access. During the semester, you can temporarily toggle the course back to closed if you need to make changes without students seeing them, and then reopen it when you're ready to share the updates. At the end of the semester, you can close the course entirely so students can no longer access it. Additionally, if you want students to view the content but no longer participate, you can mark the course as complete. It's worth noting that if you don't close your course at the end of the semester, the Learning Technology team in CIT will automatically close all courses from previous semesters after incomplete grades are due. There are two places in Blackboard Ultra where you can begin this process: from the main course page where you find your courses, or inside a specific course. First, from the courses page, let's open a course. When you're ready for students to join in and participate, you can click on the ellipsis in the upper right corner of the courses page. Click on the course settings. Once you are on the course settings page, if the course isn't open, you can go ahead and click on open. And that's all you need to do. After I refresh, we'll see that now the course is open. And again, if you want students to be out of the course so that you can work on it, you can click on the course settings and close the course. At the end of the semester, once you want to complete the course, you could either close it so students do not have access, or you can mark it as complete so that no changes can be made, but students can see the content. We can do the same process from inside the course. Go to the course settings. We'll toggle off the complete, and now the course is open again. And that's it. Managing your courses in Blackboard Ultra is straightforward and gives you control over your teaching environment. Whether you're prepping content, hiding courses, or wrapping things up, you should be all set.